Hunter Engineering Company's leadership in the undercar service industry started with revolutionary ideas. These ideas have grown into an award-winning and globally recognized range of cutting-edge products. Hunter's status as the industry leader in innovation began from modest yet no less revolutionary beginnings. In the 1930s, Lee Hunter Jr., a young architectural student, often faced the frustration of a dead car battery. To lessen the hassle and inconvenience of this common problem, Hunter was determined to design a device that would reduce the charging time of a battery from days to hours. And in 1936, Hunter introduced the Quick Current, the very first quick-charge battery charger. After serving in the war, Lee Hunter founded Hunter Engineering Company and introduced another invention, the Tune-In, the first on-the-car wheel balancer. More innovative equipment soon followed, with Hunter Engineering's launch into the field of wheel alignment. This endeavor produced many patents and industry precedents, such as the first simplified light beam alignment system, the first computerized dynamic wheel aligner, and the thrust line principle, which is the foundation of modern four-wheel alignment. Today, Hunter's award-winning alignment systems can be found in independent shops, regional and national chains, and dealerships from every major manufacturer. These patented alignment systems are also used by OEMs in over 400 vehicle manufacturing facilities around the globe. Quick Check inspection systems help identify profitable repair opportunities and automatically send the results to leading integration partners to span the entire customer service experience. Our partners integrate with virtually every major dealer management and shop management system. The RoadForce Elite Balancer uses patented vision technology to eliminate error opportunities and provide automatic wheel dimensions, spoke location, rim profile, and runout in seconds. RoadForce Balancers are the featured wheel balancer in leading OE dealer equipment programs and are in use in over 40% of tire replacement facilities to date. The award-winning tire changer, the Revolution, is an industry-first, fully automatic tire changer. The fully automatic process increases safety, saves time, and simplifies training. The Revolution monitors TPMS location and rim diameter to reduce the number of critical decisions and decrease operator error. Hunter's state-of-the-art equipment requires state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Production of Hunter equipment occurs at 4 separate plants, 3 in Mississippi and 1 in Bridgeton, Missouri. The electronics plant in Raymond, Mississippi utilizes advanced manufacturing procedures to create sophisticated electronic assemblies for many Hunter products. Unlike most manufacturers, all printed circuit board design and assembly is performed in-house and produces over 1 million boards and cable assemblies every year. This allows Hunter to create new products faster, update more frequently, and maintain superior quality control. The fabrication plant, also in Raymond, constructs alignment consoles, tire changers, and wheel balancers. The Durant, Mississippi plant manufactures lift racks, brake lathes, and inspection lane equipment. The Bridgeton, Missouri plant handles assembly, calibration, and final testing of both electronic on-the-car and digital imaging alignment sensors. The 26-acre Bridgeton facility is also Hunter's global headquarters and home of the largest engineering group in the undercar industry. The department designs and develops all aspects of Hunter products in-house. This department is made up of mechanical, electrical, and computer science engineers with an average tenure of over 13 years. With this reserve of creativity, it's easy to understand why Hunter owns so many patents, more than 350 to date, with over 140 representing inventions from the current group of engineers. Hunter averages 7 to 10 new patents every year, continually innovating to produce more efficient and productive products for Hunter's customers is the heritage of the engineering department. The Bridgeton Research and Training Center contains fully equipped training and testing service bays and classrooms, along with a specialized facility for heavy-duty trucks used for research, product development, and technician training. Hunter also offers training support throughout the U.S. in over 40 regional training centers. Over 400 North American sales representatives are well trained in current product application and are specialists in helping service facilities to become more productive and profitable. Hunter service representatives install new equipment, provide on-site training, and perform warranty service and maintenance for the life of Hunter products. All service representatives maintain an extensive parts inventory for one-stop service and are supported by the Hunter Super Service Center, which provides next-day availability for over 3,000 equipment parts. Since the 1950s, Hunter has a growing presence in the international market by supporting franchise distributors and service technicians in more than 100 countries around the world. Hunter also operates wholly owned subsidiary offices in Canada and Germany. Hunter Deutschland provides OE support services to European automakers. Hunter Engineering's dedication to improve undercar service is evident by the numerous approvals from vehicle and tire manufacturers and industry recognition awards collected from many organizations involved in the automotive industry. But perhaps our greatest honor was the induction of Lee Hunter into the Automotive Hall of Fame for making a dramatic impact on the development of the automotive industry by introducing historically significant change in products, processes, and concepts. The same energy and spirit that inspired a young Lee Hunter Jr. to find a better, faster way lives on. Stephen Brower, president since 1981, celebrates his fourth decade leading the company to unprecedented growth and innovation. Now in its third generation of family management, Hunter Engineering remains committed to producing revolutionary automotive service equipment from revolutionary ideas.